This is an intermediate program to convert text to binary and vice versa. It's easier to understand from the output what the program is doing. We are testing this conversion on firstly on a short article, then on a long article. One method to do this is to convert each character into its ASCII value and then concatenate all those ASCII values and convert the final number into binary. The second method is to convert each character into binary and then concatenate. For the second part of converting the binary back to text, for the first method, we first convert the entire binary input back to decimal. Then each three consecutive digit is a ASCII value that can be converted back to character. And then each character is concatenated to get back the original text from method 1. For the second method, each consecutive 7-digit number is a binary representation that can be first converted to decimal, then to character, and then they can be concatenated individually to get back the original text.